Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of software engineering, the role of a software engineer, exploring the essential skills, daily work, and best practices that every aspiring software engineer should master. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your career, this video is for you. So, let's get started by delving into the fascinating world of a software engineer's work. Let's not waste another moment. Subscribe now, and together, we'll unlock the magic of software engineer. Section 1. The role of a software engineer. To truly understand software engineering, let's begin by exploring the role itself. Software engineers are the architects of the digital realm, responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining the software that powers our lives. Software engineers create solutions that address real-world problems, from mobile apps that connect people to complex back-end systems that process financial transactions. They're the creative minds behind the technology we rely on every day. Software engineers often work in teams, collaborating with designers, product managers, and other professionals to bring projects to life. This collaborative environment allows for diverse perspectives and ensures that the final product meets both technical and user requirements. Section 2. Essential skills for software engineers. Now that we understand the role, let's explore the essential skills that software engineers need to thrive in their careers. Mastery of programming languages is at the core of a software engineer's skill set. They write code that translates ideas into functional applications. From the simplicity of Python to the robustness of Java, different languages serve different purposes in the software development journey. Problem solving is the heartbeat of software engineering. Engineers dissect complex challenges into manageable components and design elegant solutions. Techniques like algorithmic thinking and breaking down problems help engineers approach tasks strategically. Section 3. A day in the life of a software engineer. Now that we've covered the skills, let's dive into a typical day in the life of a software engineer. Software engineers often start their days by reviewing tasks, prioritizing work, and planning their coding endeavors. This thoughtful approach sets the tone for a productive day of problem-solving and creativity. Much of a software engineer's day is spent writing code and collaborating with teammates. This might involve pair programming, code reviews, and brainstorming sessions. Working together not only fosters innovative ideas, but also improves the overall quality of the software. Section 4. Best practices for successful software engineering. To excel in this field, it's important to adopt best practices that ensure efficiency and high-quality outcomes. Version control systems like Git streamline collaboration by allowing engineers to track changes, merge code, and maintain a clean codebase. Consistent commit messages and effective use of branching contribute to a smooth development process. Rigorous testing guarantees software reliability. Engineers write and automate tests to catch and rectify issues before they reach users. A robust testing strategy includes unit, integration, and end-to-end testing. And there you have it, an insightful look into the essential skills, work, and best practices of a software engineer. From coding and collaboration to problem-solving and testing, software engineers are the driving force behind innovation in the digital age. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more content related to technology and professional growth. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep coding, stay curious, and embrace the ever-evolving world of software engineering.